want to welcome Mark Emalfarb, the CEO of Dyadic International, a company that has technology that can actually eradicate COVID-19.
You look back, you look at Bill Gates actually wrote an op-ed to the Washington Post. He said that President Trump didn't move fast enough on this. Give me your opinion on that.
I think Bill Gates needs to look at the facts. The facts are he met with him in April 2018. In September 2019, there's an executive order that was written by multiple governmental agencies got involved. That doesn't happen in a day. He met with Bill Gates in April 2018. Now, the media wants to say he met with Gates and did nothing. I don't think that's true. I think he met with Gates and did everything. The government really, when that executive order came out, was September 2019. Pandemic came a little too quick. The problem is they didn't do anything about it. And it wasn't that President Trump didn't do anything about it. And so I think President Trump told somebody somewhere within the government to get on top of this, and that led to the executive order. And I know because I was talking to BARDA at that time. When that order came out, if you go on the internet, you'll see if you typed in Dyadic, Trump executive order influenza, in October, a month later, we supported that decision in that executive order and said, perfect timing, we have the right solution at the right time, let's get together and do something about it. We've demonstrated we can do it quicker, we can do it cheaper, we can make more of it for less, and we can do it at multiple commercial scales, which allows you to then take this technology and put it in facilities all over the planet. So we can not just solve the American problem, we can solve the global problem, making billions of doses of these. So I think if we would have started with the government support, which they gave to Moderna and others, this fall or late winter or latest Q1, we'd be pumping out vaccines, but we didn't get that advantage, so we'll be a little later. But you know what, as an entrepreneur, we found another route forward. And we're working with the Israelis and the Europeans, working with Scripps Research, and very soon we expect to announce results on, at least initially, how well our technology was able to produce what they asked us to. And at that point, hopefully the world wakes up and recognizes that this technology really needs to be embedded, not just for the pandemic today, but the future pandemic, so we're better prepared. And of course, long-term, the silver lining is to use this technology as an alternative way to make biologic vaccines and drugs, reduce the cost of healthcare globally. And I think we need to force pharmaceutical companies to adopt new, better ways of doing things. So for us to allow pharma to continue to ignore better, quicker ways of doing things, it just creates more inefficiencies. Because finally, when you get to the FDA, what's the solution? Too little, too late?
There's definitely something wrong with the picture. And I'm really glad that you joined us. And I think your technology is amazing. And I hope you get the political support and the backing you need.